Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Hat. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at anagrams, so rearranging one or two words. In each of the following questions, you need to find the anagram of the given word. So we've got inch and C space N. You need to use the remaining letters, which are I and H, to make a real word. The I needs to follow the H, giving you the word chin. So here, we're missing the letters E, A and R. Actually, with H at the start and T at the end, we can see that that is heart. Then here we're missing the letters L, O and W, and with B at the start we can see that spells below. Here we're missing the letters H, S and E. It would make sense that there's an E at the end there. So we've got the S go before the H, and then we'd have the E at the end, so that would spell shore. Then we've got filter, and we're missing the I, F and L, so it's the TR with E at the end. So it makes sense that an I would follow, an L following wouldn't make sense. So we know it's I, and then we can think F, and then L, a trifle, that dessert with cream and fruit and custard. Then dessert, we're missing the letters T, S and R. So we can think, okay, what would be the most likely one? It could start with any of them, T, S or R, but actually if we're thinking about it and take them one by one, we can see that rested, R is the most appropriate because the word would be rested. Then rosiest, we're missing the letters R, S and I. So it makes most sense that it would start with S, this word, S-T-O, and then we'd have the R and the I to spell stories. Next, secure, we're missing the letters C, U and R. We can think in the order. C doesn't seem like it would make a word, neither does U, so we'd start with R, then go to C and U, that would spell rescue. Forest, we're missing four letters. We're missing O, R, E and S. If we're thinking about what we've got there, it might make sense to go S, O, because we've got soft, and then we follow that with the E and the R, and we get the word softer. So that concludes today's lesson on our verbal reasoning paper. As always, I'll talk to you in the next video.